Hey everyone, we uncover how internet creators are made, one struggle at a time. First of all, I'm so excited. This is actually my first time hosting a webinar, so I'm little excited and little nervous as well, but mostly excited because what you will learn today is something creators usually never get told. So I'm very excited for this webinar as well. Once you know this, you can never unsee the opportunity. Today, I am going to show you how creators are quietly earning consistent income every single day without brand deals, without big follower count, and without spending a single rupee. And trust me, by the end of this, you will say, what I should have known this first as well, like earlier, so I could have earned more by this time. So before we dive in into the depth of this webinar, I want to just give you a glimpse of what we are going to cover today. And trust me, you will want to learn each and everything. You will want to stick around until the very end because I'm going to show you how you can start earning from day one. So, in this webinar, in the next 30 minutes, we are going to cover 7 game-changing topics. And the first one will be, of course, the real struggle creators face with monetization, the massive untapped opportunity sitting right in front of you, and some proof that real creators are already using it. So, some success story. Then we will cover what is a job board, how it earn money, why this is an absolute best passive income source, and how you can launch your own job board in just minutes. Literally, it takes minutes to launch your own platform. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's see the real struggle of a creator. So let me tell you, there are very different type of struggle that creators are facing nowadays. Like inconsistent income is one of them, but there are more as well. So how many have you like felt this, that you have poured your heart into whatever content you are sharing, whatever platform you are using? So you poured your heart into making those reels, into making those LinkedIn posts, into making those content. Still, like, you get a lot of likes, you get a lot of comments, you get a lot of engagement on your post, but still you feel like this income is not at all appropriate, or this income is not at all enough for me, the amount of burnout I'm having right now. So basically, you are posting every day, you are spending hours on content, you are getting like thousands of likes, hundred of like comment, people are loving what you do. But when it comes to actually making money, it's like, where is it? Right. So let me tell you one thing. You are not alone. I have gone through this research and I found out, according to this report, 46% of full-time creators are earning less than $1,000 a year. You heard me right. Full-time creators, less than $1,000 in a year, not even a month, in a year. So you can see the major problem is this. Okay, I also found out this interesting stat that says that honestly blew my mind, that more than half, like somewhere around 67% of creators have never worked with a brand, not even once. So, and I think most of the creators are majorly dependent on brand. And why they don't get this much of opportunity? Because brands want celebrities, and this is the real truth. When a celebrity promote content or something, the brand stock literally goes up. So guess who gets all the brand deals, all the attention? Yeah, the big creators. So the problem is the small creators are still struggling. Even though they are making that much of a content, they are making a lot of, they are doing a lot of hard work, but still they are like not making enough money, even not for even pay their bills. So, and there is one opportunity you are literally sitting on, and you don't even know that this can earn you money. And from this webinar, after this 30-minute, you will know that this is not some, one day get richer scheme. This is a system, and it's work on this is an automated system, and this works with the help of AI. So here's why I'm excited to talk to you today. What if I told you there is a way to make money that has nothing to do with brand deals, that has nothing to do with creating your content, that has nothing to do with your if you are posting every day or not. This is a full-time automated passive income source. You just have to launch your job board. You just have to share this job board with your audience, with wherever they are, if they are on LinkedIn, if they are on Instagram, if they are on wherever platform, whatever platform you use, you just have to share this link with your in audience, and after that you will be earning from day one. Like literally we guarantee that you could be earning your first dollar from day one from this platform. So before we do that, let's understand what are the untapped opportunity we are talking here. First of all, because you're creating content, right? You're creating content from like years, from months, or maybe a decade, whatever time you have to make your audience trust. Your audience trust you. You have a good engagement. So there are like we have done a research after finding out this particular numbers of creator who are not earning enough. We have done a research. We have done a poll where we ask creators about how many DMs in a day they get, where people actually ask, do you refer, if you can refer me, or do you have any job opportunity for me. I think most of the creator goes through, especially if you are a creator who make content around tech content, or you make content around something, some special content that can generate jobs, right? Then you are literally sitting on an untapped opportunity. And most of the creators says they get at least 10 to 15 DMs, even though we have some of the audience that get more than 100, 200 to 500 DMs in a day. Trust me, this is good. Your audience trust you. You have a trust of people. First of all, you have a good engagement. Second, the brands you are like literally texting every day, the brands who just ghosted you millions like months ago, no, you can just ghost them as well. First of all, the best thing about job board is you don't have to do anything extra, and you don't have to do something like you love creating content. We all know that creators love creating content, so you don't have to do another thing. You don't have to stop yourself from like just for making money. You can do this alongside while doing whatever you love to do. So let that's why we say that 200 to 500 DMs in a day is a massive opportunity, and you can turn that engagement into money. Why? Because there is one more data that I need to share here, that people trust micro influencers more than the big names. Their audience are their audience are most likely to turn whatever they share, no, whatever maybe some content, maybe some platform. Their audience are the ones who will trust them, who will go on that platform, on who will literally make you money. And there are another thing as well. There are another part of this webinar. First of all, let you understand what is this job board. And before that, because I want to, don't want to make promises here. I also want to give you a real proof. And there are like, I have hundreds of people here, but I have took out the 4-5 names here. So first name is the Vijay Yadav. You can see Vijay Yadav is the owner of EdoJobs India. He was a creator. He is a creator now as well. And when he launched his platform, no, his platform is a niche specific platform where teachers can get a lot of job opportunity. There are only teachers specific job. In just 6 months, he got 20,000 plus applications. 20,000 plus application. You know, it's like people were waiting that someone should launch, like teachers were waiting that someone should launch a job board for us, and we will apply, because there we will get an authentic job list, right? Then there is Waterman's. Let me tell you a very interesting story. When Voters his job board out of board because he was in hospital because of his newborn baby, and he was very bored, so he decided, okay, let's launch a job board. And he launched a job board. That's his job board name is Sustainable Job, and he is now making 125K per month with just from his job board. 125K per month. Okay, I know that's a huge number, you know. The next one is even more interesting. Takima Thomas. She used Artha's free to launch plan and launched her job board using Artha's free, Artha offer a free to launch job board software as well. So she launched it. The work from her job board name is Work from Home Seekers. And without spending a penny, now her platform is getting massive traction. Then there is Prasad Tatavarsi. His platform is basically for data analytics job. You can find it's a niche specific platform. And now he's one of the top in the niche. The another one I want to share is a confidential career. They are earning more than $1,000 per week just from one feature of Artha, and that is called ad network. So you can see there are massive opportunity waiting here. We just need to launch. You just need a launch to launch a job board, nothing else. And there is nothing like, okay, there aren't like genius millionaires who just launch out of they saw a problem. They saw a problem. Their audience were facing at that time. They saw that they are getting a lot of DMs because people were unable to find jobs. So they were texting him, all those creators, they were texting him for job opportunity, and they launched a job board, and now they are making a lot of money. Let me let you understand what is a job. In a very layman term, I can say that job board is a platform where you can be the bridge between the employer and a candidate and earn from it. Okay, let me give you an example. If you have like near about 10,000 or 15,000, 20,000, whatever number of follower you have, so just like LinkedIn or Naukri is a job board, okay? But the job board we are talking here is a generic job board. So as I said, if you have near about 10,000, 5,000 audience with you, in which let's say 100 of people are looking for a job, let's say 150 people are looking for a job, and they are literally texting you. They have applied from this LinkedIn or a Naukri job board a lot of times, but their profile was not shortlisted. They were facing a lot of issues. So they texted you because let's say you make a content around tech, you make a content around Java, you make a content around Python or something, you share job around that particular topic. You make people that you make those posts that say, okay, are you ready for an interview? These are the tips you should know if you are a Python developer or something around that. If you're a finance creator, something. So they text you that, okay, I'm in this field, I have this much of experience, or I am a fresher and I'm looking for a job and I'm unable to find from this generic job board, because there are like thousands of people applying for a single job, and those employers are also frustrated. Like on the other hand of side, if you see, employer also want trained people, right? They also want people who understand. If they want a Java developer, they want a Java developer. So they will who they will go to. The person who are making content on Java is most likely to give the candidate than the generic job board. So employer are also waiting that you should launch your job board. Employer are literally waiting for niche job board to be happen, because that makes their job easy. So here, what you are doing, you just launched a job board, and you just let's in another way we can say you just launch a platform, and you just share that platform with your audience. Now your audience got a platform where they can share, they can find all those jobs, and then, on the other hand, there are employers who are posting those jobs and getting candidates, like whatever candidate they need. They don't have to now go through a lot of resume to screen also. Like the screening process is also very exhausting for both of the people, employer and candidate as well. So that's about job board. What role you play is just the matchmaker, and you earn from it. You earn real money from it. So you will be connecting right people to the right opportunity through your job board and earning from it. Just you have to share one post, just you have to share your job board with your people, with your whoever, like your audience, your whoever is asking for a job. You can just share this job board and nothing else. It works literally automatic. So you must be thinking that, okay, this sound easy, but it's bit complicated because I don't know how to design website. I don't know to code. You don't know anything technical about it, right? So let me walk you through that. We have made this process very easy for you. Like literally, you don't have to do this. Let me share this in steps. The first step is what you have to do is click on that start for free, or you can just tell us your niche name, like tell us about yourself, what type of content you create, or what is your brand name, what's your niche, like you are in tech, you are in marketing, you are in fitness, just basic stuff. Step two, we do everything from coding to making it automated, everything, we do everything. So Artha Job Board will literally give you a platform in just minute. You don't touch any code, you don't design anything. It just like maximum it take 10 minutes to just go live. Okay. Now the very cool part is the step three. What you have to do is Artha's, you have to start the backfill option. So Artha's ad network features near about 4 million plus job ads. You have to just, you have to just click on start backfilling and job will automatically start pulling on your job board. It's not complicated enough. Not at all complicated. What you have to do is just let us know your details and we will launch it for you. Our system is smart enough that it can pull niche specific job for you. Out of those 4 million job ad we have, we will pull you the job your audience needs, the type of job your audience needs on your platform. So that's how it works. So if you are in teaching, only teaching job listing will be there. If you are in finance, only finance job listing will be there. So your job is instantly full of relevant listing. You don't have to go find them. You don't have to contact companies or employer. It just is. Okay. Meantime, like in the future, you can ask people, or maybe there will be, if people are aware about your platform, they will come to your platform and post job as well. But for the basic stuff, you don't have to do anything. We make it ready for you. Then the final step is you have to go and share it with your audience. That's it. It's that simple. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything at all. The most important part is how it earns money, right? Everyone wants to know that, okay, this sounds easy, everything is go, but what is the tech behind it? How it earn money for me? So let me make this very clear. There are four ways, and the beautiful thing is they all work together. You're not picking one, you can get all 4 or 5 ways to earn money. Let's explain this in detail. Number one is job ad clicks. As I told you, there are like 4 million job ads we already have. Every time someone clicks apply on your job board, you earn money. Every time. Whenever a candidate click apply for that job, that just like you do whenever you are applying for a job. So just like everyone do, whenever you are clicking on that apply button, you earn some money. The second thing is the premium license. Just like LinkedIn or any other platform does, you can give premium access to your employer, to your candidate who wants premium features, like they want that their profile should be on top, or they want something else. You can just offer them by offering premium license feature. Then there is a third thing called partner program, that is Artha Job Board's plan. Where we give you up to 40% commission on all revenue generated from your referrals for like an entire year. It's really that simple. Okay, and now the brand deals. So now what happened is, first you were chasing the brand, not brand will chase you. If you have a good number of engagement on your job board is performing well, then are most likely chance that brand also want to add their companies on your platform. There we also give blog option as well, like you can write blog, or and you can, like there are multiple features we give you just to earn money, and we keep on adding those features. So that's it. That's the very simple things we are talking about. Let me tell you why I think this is the best passive source income. Okay, I don't think this isn't a passive source income as well. I think this is one of the best consistent source of income you can have in this economy where everything is inconsistent. This is auto generated. This, like, most of the work is done by AI, so you don't have to do anything. And I have multiple reasons for it. The first reason is no algorithm tantrums, right? You don't have to think about new rules that Instagram is having, the LinkedIn is having a new update that, like, okay, now your content will not get enough number of engagement. Now video content will get more engagement than post content. Now you have to post more long form content. Now you have to post 30 seconds of videos. No algorithm tantrum here. You don't have to do, you don't have that problem here. You're not panicking here. So the first reason, and I think the best reason is that. The second is, the best part is your audience is already there, right? You already have that engagement. You are not, it's not like that you are posting your content for the first time and looking for people to like it, right? You have your audience, they are already engaging with your post. They are all, they have trust in you. They are literally texting you that I need a job. And when it's like your prayers are fulfilled, right? Their prayers are fulfilled. That, okay, I was waiting for job in this niche. Now I have a whole platform where I can apply to, and only for my role description. So I think that's the best part. First, you are earning from this, and second, although you are hero in your audience, your audience sees you as a hero, but now you are also helping them land a good opportunity. I think that's something you can't put words on. Like, the third is, you don't have to do anything. If you are creating content, create content. If you are making videos, make videos. This literally run on itself. It's a autopilot. Once you set it, you don't have to do anything. Our backfiller automate job, like, it refreshes job daily. So you don't have any old jobs on your job board. You don't have any, expired job on your job board. We refresh it daily. So automatically, whatever the roles, whatever the top job ads are there, will be on your platform as well, niche specific for sure. So you don't have to do anything. You can be at your branch with your friends making money. Maybe sometime you're just looking at the analytics. Sometimes you're just making sure that, okay, maybe I need more people, more engagement on my job board, so I will share it. I will do this marketing study. That's up to on you, but mostly it runs automatically. You don't have to do anything. The fourth point, as I said, it grows with you. The more people know about it, the more money it makes. And as your audience grow, your income grows. It's not like a one-time sponsorship where you get paid once and done. Just keep going. So now you must be thinking, I'm already exhausted. Okay. Making content, posting that content, then making it live, then chasing sponsorship, changing brand deals. I have to do a lot. A lot. Writing those content is another part, drafting it, screening it. There are a lot of process when you are posting a content. So you must be thinking, I'm already exhausted. How will I manage another platform? As I said, this is an automated platform. Once your job board is done, once your setup is done, you don't have to do anything other than sharing your job board. Or maybe if you want more engagement, you can just make sure to have more, marketing strategies. It basically, if you are not doing anything, it basically connects your audience with the job itself. So you are not, you don't have to panic about that. That, okay, if I'm not creating content today, maybe I'm not earning enough, and you don't have to panic about that here. So that's the best part of it. I think I have done most of the topic I covered here is something that you understood, is something that you really want to do. Because let me tell you one thing. I don't think there is another simple way to earn money for creators. In this creator economy, I think everything is very complicated. So this is something that gives you steady income, that gives you automated income based on AI. This is something you don't have to put a lot of time in. This is something that your audience are literally waiting for you. So if you want to join this journey, if you want to launch your platform like now, you can do it. We will share the link here. Let me share the link of job board here. If you want, you can just join it now. Also, if you want to ask any question, you can just ask me here. I'm here for a few more minutes. So let me know if you want to know anything. Meanwhile, in the message, I am dropping the job board link. You guys are launching your own platform soon. And if you want any help, you can just go through our website, you can just talk to us, and we will let you know anything, everything you want to know. If you have any doubts, we are here for you. And looking forward to it. Thank you so much.